Hi everyone, I am Rasmia, co-founder of Instrumentation Academy. Until now, you've mostly heard my voice in our videos, but today I wanted to personally connect with you. We started Instrumentation Academy with one goal: to make learning instrumentation and control system simple, practical, and industry-focused. When we began posting videos, we started receiving so many messages from learners asking for a structured step-by-step program to learn instrumentation properly. That inspired us to take things to the next level. And after months of hard work, planning, and dedication, we are so excited to finally launch our comprehensive online course on instrumentation and control systems. This training program is designed to help you understand every concept the right way with real-world examples, animations, and hands-on explanations. Whether you are a student just starting your journey or a professional looking to strengthen your knowledge in instrumentation, this course will give you the clarity and confidence you've been looking for. We have poured all our practical on-site experience into this course so that we can bridge the gap between theoretical knowledge and real industrial practice. We truly believe it will help take your career to the next level. If you're interested, check out the link in the description below to enroll. And of course, if you have any questions or need any guidance, feel free to reach out. I'm always here to help you. Thank you all for your amazing support on this journey. This is just the beginning. Stay tuned because there is so much more coming your way. Take care and I'll see you inside the course. Thank you.